Hi guys, welcome to Money Daily TV. Today I want us to talk about the power of curiosity. What you're seeing up here. Curiosity is one of the best things you can have in your quest to becoming successful, whether it is in personal life, whether it is in business. And that's why I want to discuss 5 key things in curiosity which can assist a person to succeed in business. And basically, it is the characteristics of curious people out there. Guys, curious people out there have these characteristics. Let me just bring it here on the screen for you to see very well. Curious people out there have these characteristics, okay? First and foremost, curious people try new things, okay? Curious people out there try new things. And when they're out there trying new things, it's gonna mean that also it is through them trying new things that they are able to bump into opportunities. It's as simple as that, guys. You can be sitting there and then you want to get the best of opportunities if you are not trying. It is those people who go out there to try new things that are able to bump into opportunities. And curious people are first in line because they are trying new things. And as they're trying new things, they end up bumping into opportunities because these new things they are trying are gonna open doors, okay? And then the second thing is that curious people seek clarifications. What do I mean? Curious people out there all the time seek clarification. Basically, they aren't afraid to look or seem to be dumb. It's as simple as that. People who are curious don't hesitate asking questions because they know when they seek clarification is when they're going to be able to know more and more. And through that, they're going to be able to understand phenomena out there. They're going to be able to know how things work. And also, once they know, is when they can also think about how they can convert that into business, into success, and so forth. And then the third thing is that curious people most of the time end up doing what they love. Look here, guys. You could have two people. One set of people out there are just quiet, they are not curious about anything. They are just waiting for things to roll by. But a person who tries new things, a person who seeks clarification, ultimately is going to bump into seeking that clarity and getting those opportunities for them to do what they love. And so curious people end up doing what they love. And then the fourth benefit or the fourth good thing about curious people is that they pay attention to details. Yes, guys, curious people out there pay attention to details because they appreciate knowing new things, they appreciate seeking clarifications to the latter and to the last thing what they want to know. And through that, they are able to actually pay attention to details. That's why the best of leaders out there, the best of managers, the best of performers out there pay attention to details because they know the benefit of paying attention to details. Okay? And then the fifth thing, which is awesome about curious people out there, is that they are open to other people's ideas. Look here, guys. When it is all said and done, it is good also to be open to what other people bring to the table. And curious people are open to other people's ideas because they know when it's all said and done, ultimately we need to work together for us to build the perfect mix to success. Okay? And so, curious people are open to other people's idea because they understand other people's idea also contribute towards them being successful. And tied to this, the sixth key thing about curious people is that they see collaborations. They don't see competition out there Yes, they know they are competing in the real world, but they seek to build collaborations which are gonna last over time, which are gonna assist them to be more and more successful. What do you think about this video? Do you think there is power in curiosity? Drop a thousand below in the comment section. Let's continue discussing. But guys, there is power in curiosity, and I think each of us need to harness the gift of curiosity for us to be successful in business, in our careers, you name it. Cheers guys, thanks a lot for watching, and do remember to subscribe if you haven't. Stay tuned for more awesome videos. Bye bye, and you all